It's gonna be a long conversation. Where did he throw it away?
There was a little bit left. I used
I
it.
know.
I disposed of the tray.
You what?
Used it, and then
Oh, you used it. Then okay, so it didn't stay on.
This defendant walks into court already dealing with a serious case, yet he still chose to get involved in things he was supposed to avoid while out on bond. You'd think someone facing major charges would keep a low profile, but he acted like none of it would come back to him. His attorney tries to soften the situation, but you can feel the entire room shift the moment the judge hears what happened. It really makes you wonder whether he's struggling with a personal problem or just refusing to take the legal process seriously. Let me know what you think. Does he deserve another chance? Let's get into it.
Judge.
Yeah, Jonathan, I'm on behalf of the people.
Court shall feaster Assistant Public Defender, Mr. Walter LaCroix. Mr. LaCroix, please state your name for the record. Walter LaCroix. Thank you, Judge. I have spoken to Mr. Edmonds about this case. It's going to do some further look at the matter to see where we stand in terms of an offer. We're asking just for an adjournment for a couple of weeks of the PCC. And then I need to address his, it's not a bond violation yet, I don't believe, but it's a bond report where Mr. LaCroix given permission to test in Genesee County. He signed up for a program, DNA testing in Genesee County. That program did not release testing results to the community corrections unless he was
Well, hold on a second. That's not what I have. Do you have his progress report?
The one that I have, I do have a progress report. I don't
From August 28th?
I don't believe that's the date. Let me check.
Mr. Allen?
Yeah, mine dated August 28th.
In terms of his testing, I have so he's here on an operating while intoxicated causing death.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. And on August 20th, after his arraignment, what day was he arraigned?
Arraigned on the 16th.
So then he got tested on the 16th he was ordered. He wanted to test there. He tests on August 20th and he's positive for cocaine.
Correct, Your Honor. I'm aware of that.
Then on the 22nd, he didn't appear for his testing.
That was when I was setting up to be tested in Genesee County. And I called the lady down here to let her know right away.
Let's go back a moment because I don't think he's been before me.
I don't believe so, Judge. Just asking for a 2-week adjournment to see where we stand in terms of the potential.
Why is he testing positive for cocaine after getting charged and arraigned on an operating while intoxicated causing death?
Because he used cocaine, Your Honor. Obviously, I don't think he's.
No, it's a fair answer to my question. I'm just saying why.
Yes, Judge.
Why? I mean, why is he using anything?
Well, my understanding is he is not any longer.
What?
My understanding is he is not any longer, but he previously was. He began testing, transferred that testing to Genesee County per the instructions he was given at arraignment. He's been testing there, but they are not reporting the results here unless he is positive. They have not called him to test this week. He's called them twice a day to go test. They have not called him, so he went over today to community corrections and tested here. And he is going to change if the court allows
He tested here today?
Here this morning.
What is it? Do we have results on that?
I don't have it.
I don't have anything yet,
I was
Judge.
informed about it this morning myself.
So, go ahead, Mr. Green.
Thank you, Judge. So rather than do the Genesee County testing that authorized to do that does not send the reports as community correction would require, he has signed up again today to test here and do all of his testing here, although he does not live here. He has a relative here with him who has agreed to drive him back and forth. To do that testing, if he is allowed, Your Honor. I understand.
What was the intoxicant in the primary offense?
Okay.
So let me get this right. He's charged, I just want to make sure, so I have it clear in my head.
You do.
He was charged with operating while intoxicated causing death.
Yes, Your Honor.
The intoxicant in that charge is cocaine.
Yes, Your Honor.
He's in arraigned, so now he knows what he's charged with.
Yes.
He's told to go to community corrections. When he gets to community corrections, mind you, 4 days later,
Yes. He tests positive.
he tests positive for cocaine.
I had some at my house, which I disposed of.
In your nose or what?
I had it in a tray and I disposed of it.
You what?
I had it in a tray
And then
I
you
threw
just
it away.
smoked it.
I threw it away.
You threw it away? How's that work? Where did you throw it? It's gonna be a long conversation. Where did you throw it away?
There was a little bit left. I used
I
it,
know.
and I disposed of the tray.
You what?
I used it and then
Oh, you
Oh,
used
that's right.
it then. Okay, so it
There was only a
didn't
little
stay,
bit.
it didn't stay on the tray.
and I disposed of the tray.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well,
And since then, I haven't touched it since.
What's that?
okay. He probably stopped using because he's coming today. Yeah?
I'm printing them now.
You're printing them. So somebody needs to answer for me, why was he using after being arraigned
I mean, obviously,
on this charge? And why was he using?
I don't.
I have my theory, Your Honor.
I don't think there's any answer to
Oh, darn.
satisfy the court as to why.
And by the way, you're still using.
Here's where everything falls apart. All he had to do was follow the rules for a short time, and he couldn't do it. You can see him trying to explain away, but nothing he says lines up with the seriousness of the case he already has. Even his attorney looks defeated, because there's only so much you can do when your client keeps adding new issues. And everyone knows Judge Simpson is strict about bond conditions. Meanwhile, this man is standing there acting like it isn't a big deal at all. People forget that being out on bond is based on trust. The court gives you freedom if you follow the rules, and he broke that trust right away. Do you think he should get another chance? Honestly, I'm not seeing it.
So I don't see how. I
Oh,
have-
really? Hold on.
I've never
Be-
done
You know what?
that.
The thing I hate more than anything is when somebody lies to me. Counsel, approach briefly. You want to see this?
Judge.
That's my copy, though. Yeah, this is the one he took today. No, not at all. We need all of this on the record.
And the last positive from 2nd to 7 days later.
Yeah, 7 days later, and a little bit he threw away. That. Go ahead. I'm sorry, I'm messing up your story.
Is my-
To answer your
my
previous
is not
question, Judge, why?
Oh, he's positive for cocaine.
Yeah, Judge. And
Just so that we know.
thank you, Judge. And to answer your previous question as to why he's still using after being arraigned,
Sure.
clearly he has a problem, Your Honor. There's no answer I can give you that can justify use of cocaine after arraignment when it's an illegal. He doesn't have any type of special license to allow him to use cocaine, Judge. So clearly he has a problem. He is willing to fix that problem. He is working, and he did voluntarily come here today and take a test. So he's asking you to
Not
not
saying that, right? No.
No, you didn't have to state.
Go ahead. Anything else?
all I can say, Your Honor. So to the positive test, Your Honor, I have no explanation aside from what he already told you.
Which positive test?
The
First one or this one?
The first positive test. Your Honor.
Oh,
The
okay.
explanation he gave you is that he used it and then threw away the tray. After he was arraigned, after he was ordered not to use, have no explanation, Your Honor. He'll just ask for mercy from the court on that, and he is willing to get any treatment that the court would allow him to take place.
Except that he can't follow the court's order. I don't know how he's gonna do treatment. And the other thing is, he doesn't test when he's supposed to test. So it seems to me I have two options. I can let him go and say, oh, well, best wishes. Or what I can allow him to do is go back out there, use some more cocaine and kill somebody else. I'll let you know. Not doing it.
Understood, Judge.
Defendant's bond is revoked. Defendant's remanded to the Washington County Jail. I'll set his hearing September 12, 2024, 9 a.m. for probable cause.
9/12.
9/12.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
That entire hearing shows just how quickly things can turn. When someone ignores the court's conditions, the judge can only tolerate so much. It's disappointing because situations like this affect everyone. Families, the people involved in the case, and even the defendant, who doesn't seem to realize how much he's hurting himself. You'd be surprised how many people end up in custody not because of their main charge, but because they don't follow simple bond rules. Once you break that trust, the system becomes very strict. I hope he gets it together before his trial, but it's hard to say. Do you think the judge made the right call, or would you have given him one more chance? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.